Dreaming, sleeping, I could wake up, start preparing turkey dressing, and I've started stressing. The sunlight pours in, I roll over, slightly dreading that I'm sober. But I know in the end they all will say, can't eat a better bird. Realizing in efforts I'll succeed. Can't eat a better bird. Can't eat a better bird. Can't eat a better bird. Oh. Cooking, prepping, one owns this kitchen. Get to step in, just bear with me. Oh. Memories flood me as I'm basting. Get this bird ready because time's a-wasting. For I know it, turkey is just plumb gone. But I know in the end they all will say, can't eat a better bird. Realizing my efforts I'll succeed. Can't eat a better bird. But I know in the end they all will say, can't eat a better bird. Realizing in my efforts I'll succeed. Can't eat a better bird. Can't eat a better bird. Can't eat a better bird. And they all will say, yes, yes. Realizing my efforts I'll succeed. And a bird, I can't eat a better bird. I can't eat a better bird. I can't eat a better bird. A better bird. Yeah. Oh. Uh-huh. Yummy. Uh-huh. Yummy.